Right then, the time has come to move the Marea from its resting place in this here driveway. It's got to go. Because now I can't store it anymore. This is a relative's house and driveway it was stored in, and unfortunately they've passed away, so it can't stay here anymore. So it's a sad time. Oh, that's fallen off. But it's also a happy time, because this is now going to get one step closer to getting put back on the road. She's been running for about 20 minutes. Got some warm air coming up through there. Cleared the screen. She's got a bit of fuel left in her. Horn doesn't work. I don't know how that does anymore. I don't know. So yeah, she's gonna get moved. Beautiful. Got some flat spots on the tyres. Oh my god. Pulling to the left just a bit. You know that point where you think, have I undone anything on this? Have I taken a brake caliper off? That's always a worry. The radio still works. Speedo works. I don't know about the brakes. But she's quiet. Apart from that sill that's in the back there. Just yeah, the brakes don't do a lot, to be fair, I've got to say. So that's an issue. About the handbrake. That doesn't do a lot either. Sill that's digging in me arm. But the fuel light's gone off, so that's good. It hasn't moved in about 4 years, as in been driven. Brakes coming back now. The throw on the gear lever is quite short in this, it's quite surprising. suspension feels quite soft, as I remember it. Apart from the flat spots on the tyres. Horrendous. That sil's back on my arm again. It is full of stuff as well, this car. Full of junk. Let's go for 5th gear. Yeah, that's okay. Fuel lights back on. Somewhere up here there's a nasty pothole. It still feels nippy, gotta give it that. It's gonna need a windscreen in it for its test. Feels good. Feels alright. Still pulling to the left a bit. Right, somewhere up here there is an evil pothole, and I mean massive. Oh my god. Look at this. It looks like it's been carpet bombed. Look at that.
Oh, Jesus.
Get off me. Over the crossings. Stage 2 complete. Remember Outlook. What a game. Brake warning light on, so that's interesting. ABS and airbag lights on. 152,000 miles. It still drives nice. For what I would say is nice. Was it any brakes? Yeah, they're locked up on that ice. Got to remember it's got some Fiat Coupe suspension on this as well, and the intercooler from a Fiat Coupe 20 valve turbo. So it did handle all right actually with the Fiat Coupe wheels and tyres on. Consider I've got a brand new replacement engine for it. The clutch is good. I think it only had a clutch in it very recently before I got it. When I bought this, there were 24 left. And a handful on the road. As I record this now, there is only one left on the road. And I spoke to the guy that owns that one, and he was having a lot of welding done to it, so I think it's still currently off the road. And then there's like 5 left on the saw. So, a super rare car. Just a little bit of rust to sort out on this one. As you know if you've seen the other videos. Yeah, the brakes are coming back now. Now I'm here. I do miss this car. I would daily this. It's brilliant. It's practical, it's comfy, goes well, it's really good on fuel. Tons of room in the back for activities. Now I've got too many cars on the drive. Too many cars. We made it!